Welcome to multiple choice question 16 of the 2006 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video we will be looking at the solution and examination advice for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. And now before we get into this question, I'd just like to point out that the use of CAS was not appropriate for this question. So for question 16 we have let f dash of x equal g dash of x plus 3, f of 0 equal 2, and g of 0 equal to 1. Then f of x, which is what we're asked to find, must be given by one of these options. So if we want to find f of x, we know that it must be given by the integral of f dashed of x dx. So therefore, f of x can be found by integrating the following expression, which is g dashed of x plus 3. So we have the integral of g dashed of x plus 3 with respect to x, so therefore f of x must equal, and the integral of g dashed of x we would just represent symbolically as being regular g of x, and then the integral of plus 3 would be plus 3x. And then we also remember that there's a constant of integration which takes into account any vertical translations that are lost during differentiation, so we need to add that plus c value on. Our job now is to find what that plus c value is, and to do that we're going to use the information that f of 0 equals 2. So therefore f of 0 is equal to g of 0, so wherever there's an x we're replacing it with 0, plus 3 times 0 plus c, and we know that that is equal to 2. However, g of 0 we know from up here is simply equal to 1, so that value is 1. Therefore, we find that 1 plus c is equal to 2, therefore c must equal 1. And keeping all of that in mind, that means that A is the correct answer to this question. So we can see that this question was reasonably well done, with about 66% of students getting it correct. The most common incorrect answer was C, which would have been obtained if the plus c, or that constant of integration, was not considered when answering the question.